Just when you thought things were good, they've gotten even better. SyQon, the team that brought you the star removal tool and the recent denoising tool called Prism, now has a paid version called Prism Deep. So today we're going to test it out, and we're actually going to now compare it also against other popular denoising tools. And you'll also want to stick around to the end because there's another surprise coming by the SyQon team. So stay sharp and you'll find out what it is. My name is Showen Kashi and you're watching Astro Island. So as always, ensure that you have the latest version of Siril and you also have Prism already installed, which I would have showed in my previous video. So all we need to do, and I already have the same image that we used in my previous video, ready now to begin using Prism Deep. So we go to Scripts, Python Scripts, Processing, and we select the same SyQon Prism. Prism is launched, and Prism Mini is the default setting, which is the free version. And I want to let everyone know that the SyQon team, they will still continue to provide many updates to the Prism Mini, the free version. It's just that now with the Prism Deep, they have a wider list of parameters and a greater data set in which they can now do more advanced denoising tools. And of course, that will now come at a cost. But Prism Mini, from my testing out, as you'd have seen in my previous video, does a really, really fantastic job. So now everyone has two options to work with. You can choose Prism Mini for the free version, but if you want more advanced denoising and what the Prism Deep does, it now brings out even more signal in your images. So let's install it. Let's give it a try, and we'll get to compare the results together. What we do now, we click on Prism Deep, and the message is going to come up that deep model not found, and it needs to be saved in this particular folder when you download it. So when we click on Buy Deep Model, the cool thing about it, and you may have just missed it, is that it actually points directly, or it opens the path directly where SyQon Deep Prism needs to be installed. I think that's pretty cool, a really cool feature that they've included. And it also opens up the websites. You can now download Prism Deep. So on the website, we can scroll around, and I mean, just off the bat, you can do a direct comparison before and after when using SyQon. So if you scroll back and forth, you can see that there's a lot of signal that's being brought out, as well as a lot of noise that's being removed in your image. And they have lots of information on how SyQon Prism Deep would have been developed. So whenever you're ready to begin purchasing, you can click on Get Access, right? And of course, you choose your option. So Prism Deep is now available for Siril, as well as for those who use Seti Astro Suite. It's also available for those users. In our instance, we're just going to click on Siril. We click on Add to Cart, and the menu pops up on the right hand side. And as you can see, it's a nominal fee. In my opinion, it's 27 euros, which is really good for such an advanced denoising tool. We can just click on checkout. Right, you have the options of paying with PayPal or your credit card, etc. So I'm just going to enter my information. I'm going to make the payment, and then I'm going to download Prism Deep. I have downloaded Prism for Siril, and it's in my downloads folder. So we're just going to right click, extract all, and I'm just going to leave it in the exact same downloads folder in terms of just extracting it. Right, so it's been extracted. So I'm just going to right click. In this instance, I can just make a copy, or you can cut it, either one. And remember, we would have had the Prism would have automatically pointed to where it needs to be installed, which is in this folder. Now, in the unlikely event that you're unable to see the updater folder, if you're doing it manually, you can just go to these three dots, the ellipses. You go to Options. You go to, let's bring this across. We go to View, and you select show hidden files, folders, and drives. So if you have it disabled, you click on it, click apply, and then you click OK. And then now you can see the app data folder in which you can continue local Siril SyQon Prism. So what we do now, all we do, we right click and paste it inside of that folder. We can close this off now and let's switch back to Siril. And this time we click on validate install. So it's going to look for that file in that folder. So we click on validate install. And there we go. Prism Denoise found. The deep model is ready to use. And I'm ready to begin using this. I'm so excited to see the results and make my comparisons. So we click OK. And then now we can begin using Prism Deep. So now let's move this to the right. Let's zoom in like we did last time. And we're going to leave everything at default. And we just click on process image. Wow. And look at that. Just look at how much detail has been brought out in the image. I am truly blown away. So let's just close this off. Let's zoom in a little more. And let's do a before and after. So we click on the back arrow. This is before. Oh, really noisy. Not much detail being brought out. And let's click on after. Wow. A lot of the noise has been removed. A lot of signal has been brought to the forefront. I'm impressed. I am really, really impressed with this version, which is the paid or commercial version of Prism by SyQon, which is now Prism Deep. Now it's time to compare SyQon Prism Deep with some of the other programs such as NoiseXTerminator, another paid program, and GraXpert. And I know some of in my previous video, some of my fans were still sort of chanting for GraXpert. So now let's see how it compares with the SyQon Deep. So on the left, we have NoiseXTerminator. And as you can see, the image has been smoothed out pretty good. Some of the details are there. Likewise, this is GraXpert. All right, so there we go. More or less a very similar comparison. If we zoom in into other areas, all right, let's zoom around, see how it compares. Let's go back to our usual spot that has some detail there. Yeah. So on the left, we have NoiseXTerminator, and on the right, we have GraXpert. Now, let's see how SyQon Deep stacks up against these two. And there we have it. I don't think anything else compares now. I mean, look at that. Let's maximize this now for a second. Look at how much signal, look at how much detail has been brought to the forefront. Even if we look at the stars, let's zoom into the stars, looks really well. So much detail has been brought around, and what I would consider the head for the ghost of Cassiopeia. And I know the ghost is maybe upside down right now, but wow, just wow. So again, this is NoiseXTerminator on the left. On the right, we have GraXpert. So this is now SyQon Prism Deep in comparison to GraXpert. And let's just switch over again to NoiseXTerminator. The results speak for themselves. I am truly amazed. The SyQon team, they've really outdone themselves. They did a really, really fantastic job. Well, there we have it, folks. We've done a comparison of GraXpert, NoiseXTerminator, which is a paid program for denoising, as well. Now we've launched SyQon Prism Deep and compared it against the other two. And as I would have mentioned before, the results speak for themselves. And it gets even better. Use the code AstroIsland when making your purchase and get 5% off. So there we have it. Even discounts being applied now when you purchase SyQon Prism Deep. So take full advantage of it. enjoy SyQon Prism Deep, and let me know in the comments down below what you think about it. So thanks for sticking around to the end, because now I have the surprise for you, and that is, I would have mentioned in the beginning to stay sharp, and that's because the SyQon team is in process of now developing a sharpening tool. So look out for that. AstroIsland is going to let you know when that sharpening tool becomes available. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. And while you're there, click the join button to become a channel member, where you can get exclusive access to videos and many other perks that are available when you become a channel member. You can also support me on Patreon, as well as check out my website, where you can purchase exclusive AstroIsland merchandise. I'll put links in the description down below, so you can click on each of them, check them out, and enjoy everything that AstroIsland has to offer. So now it's time to close off. So I close off by saying, it's not the size of your telescope that counts, it's how you use it. Bye for now, take care, and I'll see you again soon at Astro Island.